Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft runtime environment problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First click here and then you go to background apps and then make sure to disable this option, and then go back and go to Windows update settings, and here make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and then restart your PC. If you find here update and restart, click on it, and if you can't find it, just restart it. And now go back here to Minecraft installer, click next, click repair, finish, go to apps and features and type here Minecraft launcher, and now just maybe you'll find here two launchers. If you find two launchers, just select the old one. Here is it, just 3 megabytes, and after uninstalling the old one, just close this window and install it again. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.